Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. So grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how easy it is to rock out with your crock pot this holiday season and make two glorious recipes from carrots. So let's get cooking. Good looking. For the first recipe, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make Maple Lemon Glazed Carrots. And in the second recipe, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make Marmalade Glazed Carrots. Now, I already went ahead, washed up my carrots. I did not peel them. I cut the ends off, and then I took them over to the stove and I caramelized them up a little bit. Okay, I have the carrots over here on my cast iron griddle, and we're just sitting there caramelizing them up before we're going to sit there and put them into the crock pot. Then I put them inside my slow cooker, which I just made a little basket like such. But when it's all done, I'll be able to pick it all up all at once. So here's our carrots that I already sat there, and we caramelized them up on the stove. I have 1 packet of the true lemon. Now go ahead, add that. Hey babe, go on the bottom shelf of the fridge and grab the maple syrup for me. And then we're going to be needing a half a cup, or I should, we're going to be needing 1/4 to a half a cup of maple syrup. You decide how much maple syrup you're going to add to yours. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, Mom.
And here's our maple syrup. So I'm going to start off by adding 1/4 cup. Here you go, babe. And just pour that all over the glazed carrots, or our browned up carrots, caramelized carrots, however you want to sit there and call them. That's it for our Maple Lemon Glazed Carrots. Now let's move on to the Marmalade Glazed Carrots. I'm going to wash and cut the ends off of my carrots, and then I'm going to sit there and cut them up the same way as I did this, and I'm just going to sit there and put them in this side. So I'll be back through the magic of YouTube. Now I washed up and I sliced up as I did with the carrots on this side, but I did not caramelize these, nor did I peel them like I did not peel these. Now I have some of my homemade orange marmalade that we're gonna be having to use, and I'm gonna have to ask for the assistance of my husband to open it up for me. Thank you, babe.
Yep.
And you're gonna need half of a cup of the orange marmalade. So let me go ahead and measure out. Oh, look at that. Look at that homemade goodness. Now, I'm going to be showing you all how to sit there and can up your very own orange marmalade, just as what I have here in my jar. So, you all know what to be expecting down the chute. So, go ahead, add all this, and I just like to sit there and spread it. Okay, I'm getting photobombed left and right by my animals here. I mean, I'm in a live household and stuff like that does happen around here. So, please excuse. Okay. Now, I'm also going to sit there and stir up the other side too before I put the cover on, and we're going to cook these carrots up for the holidays. Now, let's go ahead and just stir up the maple syrup side. Okay, that's good enough. Let's grab our cover. Place our cover on. I'm gonna lock mine into place. And now I'm gonna come down here on mine. And I'm gonna set mine on high. And I'll see you in 3 to 4 hours. Or you could set yours on low, and I'll see you then in 5 hours. Now I have some serving dishes, and I'm gonna sit there and put the finished carrots in each one of them. Now I'm gonna sit there and grab out the orange marmalade, and we're gonna sit there and put that in this bowl. So I think it's just gonna be easier for me to grab it out like I intentionally intended to. So I'm just gonna set that back off to the side. Whoa! Bring this back over. And now I'm gonna sit there and take out all these and put them in my one bowl. And now I'm gonna sit there, take my other bowl, and we're gonna put the maple lemon glazed carrots in the other bowl. So I'm just gonna move that off to the side, bring our maple lemon glazed carrots on over, transfer it over into our serving dish. Now, that's how easy it was. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, here's to happy eatins'. Y'all come back now, you hear?